it doesn't show. No, M15 second is loaded. This must be M15 first strategy. Let's go to the repository. Here, indicators. I'll sort them by titles, and go to spread level pro. Okay, load. The indicator is loaded, so I load the structure from the start page. Where is that? EURUSD. Why I cannot see it? Yeah, mind. Open EURUSD first. Okay, the strategy is successfully opened. Now my 6 strategies are opened, and I updated the custom indicator. Also, the MQL code is updated, and I have to re-export these expert advisors and to put them in the MetaTrader platform. Now, but you see that these are the names of the strategy. But what I did, I put the this is my experts folder here, the local folder. I have the magic numbers in the names, and when I'm saving the experts, I have to be 100% sure I'll use the same names, because when I replace the indicators and the experts in the platform, and when I recompile them, it will not be reloaded if I'm using a different name. So let's start saving. I can do that. This is the first strategy. Save as, where is that? Desktop experts, and this is the first one. I override that, I'm sure. Desktop experts seconds. Okay, second. Okay, Great Britain pound second. Desktop experts Great Britain pound second. Okay, I have to be very careful with that. Japan first. Okay, and Japan second. Save desktop experts seconds. Okay, our new experts are exported. Now I have to put these experts in the MetaTrader terminal. Okay, how to do that? I return to the team viewer, and I'm going to use this file transfer feature. How to do that? Can I make here a new folder? Create new folder. Experts. Okay. Okay. Close that. And that. I have here a shortcut to the MetaTrader experts folder, and I'll take that from here, this from here. I'll copy for any case. Yes to all. So the experts are copied, but they have to be recompiled. And now, when I return to MetaTrader, MetaTrader is still using the old version of the experts. So I have to open this experts navigator window and right click, refresh. Let's see. Now it will recompile these experts and will restart them. At least I hope it will do that. Excellent, it did the job.